All hard work brings profit, but mere talk leads to only poverty. Proverbs chapter 14, verses 23. Hello, beautiful family. Warmest welcome back again to the Lovista channel. I trust you're doing so well and you're taking very good care of yourself. I am super happy and so thrilled to share with you my all-time childhood favorite stew that we always had at home. This is exactly how my mom would prepare her bean stew, and it pairs with a lot of side dishes. So please stick around, stay tuned, and I'll walk you through it. Let's go! The excitement of this recipe is so real. So I like to soak my beans overnight, and as you can see, it has double rice and it's just perfect. It's going to make my boiling or cooking process of the beans go so fast. Okay, so after that, I'll just make sure I take out the bad ones from the good ones, wash it very well, and put it in my pot. And you really need to add lots and lots of water for it to cook through perfectly. I have 500 grams of black eye beans, and I use 2 liters of water to cook it through. And to make this even more special, I go ahead to add my dried stockfish. In Ghana, you can use kako. It happens to be the salted dried version of the stockfish, and this one is not salted, so I go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt. Just allow this to cook through for 40 minutes. Just remember every now and then to check on it, stir through to avoid the bottom from burning, and also you will feel free to add a little bit more water if the need be. Okay, with the stew process, I have here my chopped onions, my smoked mackerel, I have here my shrimp powder, and instead of using palm oil, I chose to use coconut oil, but you can feel free to use any type of oil that you prefer. And here are all my natural spices representing. I'll list everything down below, and I have my homemade momone and some dawadawa as well. This is going to be so native. And also I have here my chopped tomatoes, tomato paste, garlic, ginger, and more onions. It is going to be so yummy. And of course I have my salted taste. So it is showtime. So right now I'll be blending my ginger, garlic, and some more onions, and I'll also add my natural spices, blend them all together and set it aside. Into my heated pan goes in my coconut oil. Allow the oil to melt completely, and then go in with my chopped onions. I'll just fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it is caramelized, and then introduce my golden holy grail momone. I promise to really bring this recipe to you because it has been a blessing. So good. So when the momone melts completely, I'll go in with my tomato paste and stir it. Allow it to fry for about 4 minutes, and then introduce my blended spices. Allow this to fry for 7 minutes. Allow everything to incorporate well together, and then introduce my chopped tomatoes. I allow that to also cook for the next 7 minutes. Take a break from frying, okay? Let's just work with our grilled mackerel. This was homemade. I also have a recipe of this, which I'll link right here. Okay, yes, I would like to break them into manageable sizes because these are huge. Okay, just so everybody gets to have a share of it. Okay, but you really need to control yourself while doing this. Okay, do not end up eating everything. Share also. Family, it absolutely stunning, so yum. Our stew is done and now, but to make it more even beautiful, I go ahead to sprinkle a little bit of fresh chopped spring onions and some red onions to make it more appealing. Just have a look at that. Ah, so good. It will absolutely make no sense not to fry some ripe plantain to pair with this bean stew right here. Join me, fams, as we also fry our plantains, and I'll also show you few dishes that you can also pair with this delicious bean stew that you'll be wowed. So right now all my plantains has been chopped. I sprinkle a little bit of salt on it, add my water, and hooray, we're about to fry this yummy plantain right now. So good. Right now my plantains are perfectly fried. I paired with a bit of rice as well and some avocado on the side. Just add one egg even to make everything look more Ghanaian, okay? So good, absolutely incredible. And one thing that I also love to pair bean stew with is some boiled yam. Fam, if you've not tried it, please do. And also you can pair with your banku, some soft banku in the fridge. Try it, you really need to try it, okay? Thank you so much, family, for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Novia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so much once again for watching, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.